Today we're going to talk about pivot table. So pivot table is a function that we use in Excel in order to summarize our data in any way that we might want or that we might prefer to present our data. So in this case, we have data that we have. In this particular case, we have cells that are made for a particular entity or a company, which is into the fashion industry. So as we can see on the table that we have date, product, amount, and the type of the transaction that has took place, whether is it a cash transaction or a credit transaction. So in this case, we're trying to summarize our data so that it might be presented in a way that someone might be able to draw some conclusions on that particular data. So in this case, the way we can insert our pivot table is simply by going on this bar here where we can select insert, and on insert we select pivot table and we select from the table range, and from this table or range tab we then highlight our data in which we want our pivot to pick from. As you can see here, we have picked our data. So after this one, we then hit OK. So when we hit OK now, it then gives us a tab here, which we can select the data that we want to be presented on our table. So in this case, it just depends with our requirement or with our needs. So in this case, I might try to pick product and amount. As you can see, it then highlights or produces a table which shows the number, the columns, and the rows depending on the function that I have picked. And from this case, I've picked product and amount. As you can see, it shows the products in this first column, and then it shows the amount. So I can rearrange this into whichever way I want by moving it into different spheres. As you can see here, I've moved the product to the column. So now my columns, it will be the product, or I can move it here under rows. As you can see, it then shows under the rows. So this is the way that we can use our pivot table. We can also add in the type. Probably we just need the type and the amount. As you can see, it shows us the type and the amount. So this is a simple way that a pivot table might assist us in terms of presenting our data that we have.